let's talk about one of the largest types of ants in the world, the Amazonian giant ants. This is an Amazonian giant ant, or Dinopanera gigantea. It is one of, if not the largest type of ants in the entire world. As you can guess from the common name, these guys are found in the Amazon rainforest, largely around Brazil, Suriname, and Guyana. And also, as the name suggests, these guys are very, very large. The females are quite a bit larger than the males, maxing out at around 4 centimeters or around an inch and a half long. The males are typically quite a bit smaller and winged, and also a darker red as opposed to black. Now, the Amazonian giant ants don't have a typical queen caste. Instead, there is a dominant female who is in charge of all of the reproduction, and when she ends up dying, the next most dominant worker female can snag the title out from her and become the reproductive female. These guys have a very wide diet consisting of things like seeds and fruits and nuts and all of that, but also small animals, typically invertebrates like snails or spiders or other insects, but even small vertebrates if they can scavenge them, working together to bring these larger bits of food back to the colony. And also, what's interesting that these guys can have multiple satellite colonies working at once instead of one larger main colony, which is pretty cool. The Amazonian giant ants have also been described as having a very, very painful sting, comparable to that of a bullet ant, another very large ant found in the Amazon, but some sources have said that it's even more painful than a bullet ant, which is so much fun. Which is fitting because the genus name Dinopanera translates to terrible devil.